Hey, it's Haley from Kingdom Cuisine. Today we're talking about the teriyaki glazed Spam hash. The 2019 Epcot International Food and Wine Festival is in full swing at the Walt Disney World Resort. This exciting event allows guests to explore the delicious food from around the world, and everything is just a short walk away. The 2019 festival continues to span the entire park across Future World and all around the World Showcase. At the Hawaii Marketplace, guests can indulge in the teriyaki glazed Spam hash. The Spam has a delightful caramelized layer on the outside, adding a slight crisp to each bite. While the sweet teriyaki sauce coats the Spam, the peppers and onions add a kick that balances the sweetness beautifully. The sweet and savory dish is complete with potatoes and a spicy mayonnaise that brings each bite together perfectly. This traditional Pacific Island meal is one snack you do not want to miss from Food and Wine. If you are heading to the 2019 Epcot International Food and Wine Festival, don't forget to stop by the Hawaii Marketplace to indulge in the delicious teriyaki glazed Spam hash. Love food and all things Mickey shaped? Share your delicious snacks with us on Instagram and be sure to tag #SnackSquad to be featured.